Hi guys, today we are looking at Speedrunner from Holy Fire Games. You can play this on a desktop computer on the Gazpo.io site. Speedrunner is a fast-paced action game that will test your reactions to the max. You fly your ship in a giant tunnel, navigating through the gaps in the various barriers of all shapes and sizes. The controls are pretty simple but can be deceiving. You use the left and right keys on the keyboard. The left key turns you clockwise. The right key turns you counterclockwise. When you are the right way up, this should be easy to understand, but it can be confusing when you're upside down. There are two kinds of power-ups in Speedrunner. The first is the green shield. This temporarily allows you to pass through any barrier without any damage. The second power-up is the clock. This temporarily slows down time. Everything goes at a slower pace, giving you a bit of a breather. But beware, when this power-up is over, coming back to full speed all of a sudden can be quite a shock. Because of the pace of the game, you do of course have to focus on what is coming up directly. But it can be also useful to get in the habit of keeping an eye on things that are a little bit further ahead of you. For a start, until you get used to the speed of the game, it may be easier to keep your ship the right way up instead of upside down. Speedrunner is another great rush of adrenaline and a great game that can be played over and over. How far can you get? Enjoy.